Mwah, beautiful. So a nice square edge on that, shows all my machinery set up nicely. Somebody's asked me to demonstrate how to make a super lightweight drawer that is also exceedingly robust. So without further ado, let's crack on. Plenty of glue. Pinch that down. Do it. There. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to clean this up and get back to you at the next stage. I've taken the sharp edge off that inside there. Now that's a good thick layer of glue on there. That will cover the whole lamination. So pinch that down. That's flush. That's beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is tidy this up. I am 100% certain I can get that wheel off the ground and totally supported on that box there. This is the previous box. 2 pairs of glasses, a pack of random nails, tape, some more tape, a couple of straps for the roof. Fits underneath my tool tote. So that will travel nicely in the back of the van. I've proven the durability of the drawer, and as for lightweight, well, there are more lightweight materials out there, but you won't get that durability without that density that birch ply provides you.